that the short course craze would still be going this strong, this long. I'd have to tell you, I'm a bit surprised, but I'm here today with what Losi hopes, great, they look scaled, they're fun to drive, will help just drive that even harder, even faster, and even further. We're here today with the Losi XXX SCB, or short course buggy. It's based on the same basic platform as the XXX SCT truck, but it uses a much narrower chassis, and as you can see, it features a buggy body. But what if we take that, kind of turn it on its ear a little bit, and come out with something completely different and unique? Much like the short course trucks have revitalized 1/10 scale off-road trucks, Losi is hoping that their latest vehicles will help rejuvenate 1/10 scale two-wheel drive buggies. With us here today, this is the Losi 1/10 scale XXX SCB, or short course buggy, and we're on it. And down the front straightaway at RJD. Ooh, got a little bit too close to the pipe there. Great, they look scaled, they're fun to drive. But what if we take that, kind of turn it on its ear a little bit, and come out with something completely different and unique? Much like the short course trucks have revitalized 1/10 scale off-road trucks, Losi is hoping that their latest vehicles will help rejuvenate 1/10 scale two-wheel drive buggies. With us here today, this is the Losi.
So as you guys can see, this is an RC relic, and it was really loved, and it was told that it was going to do great things. Even though it got disconnected, I still had to get my hands on it. We're going to be running a plasma 200 milliamp nickel hydrate 7.2 volt HPI racing plasma battery, Dean's connector, a 12-turn Saturn high performance HPI racing brushed motor, we have a Red Cat receiver. These never do me bad. And we got a brand new, you can barely see, but it's an HPI Racing SC30 something, I don't remember. But it's so it can run lipos. But we're not going to be running a lipo, though I might switch it out for a lipo. But we're going to be running this plasma battery. Battery connected. Switch on. Ooh, steering drive all the way down. Perfect. This body's always a pain to put on.
Cuando se te moja la tarea.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and maybe I'll do more of this guy. But for now, I think this is going to be a shelf queen.